Hello, my name is Nathan Reyna. I'm a biology faculty at Ouachita Baptist University. I'm the sort of spearheading the Genome Hack-A-Thon. And what that is bringing high school students with their high school teachers in and learning to use bioinformatics. And so the blend of computers to analyze DNA or genomes. And so we're looking at a novel virus genome, and we're using computer software and technology as a way to learn about how genes are putting together. Rather than learning content as our focus, we're using science and learning to think like a scientist critically as our focus, and then we use the content to help build and strengthen that critical thinking skills. We'd like to integrate that into the Arkansas high schools.
Hi, I'm Chad Brinkley from Murfreesboro High School at South Pike County School District, and I'm the school innovation consultant there. A lot of times when technology and curriculum are competing for time, this is the perfect example of the curriculum and the subject matter to be used with technology in a way that someone might not have thought of before. So I think it's a great experience. The thing I'm very excited about and the possibilities that we're seeing is way we can use technology in our school to blend with the curriculum more effectively and to prepare kids for college and for projects like this. And it's even sparked conversations about maybe going back to our school and starting a more rudimentary process like this so that our kids would be more prepared when they get to college. If they have a better idea of what to expect and what's going on in their future, then they can be more prepared to make better decisions.
Hi, my name is Kayla Haberman. I'm a sophomore student at Ouachita Baptist University.
My name is Jordan Gills and I'm a freshman biology major here at OBU.
My name is Allie Steddard and I'm a freshman at Ouachita.
And today we are having a Genome Hack-A-Thon where we invited 8 different high schools to come and bring students to annotate a genome.
The high school students seem to be much better learners than even us college students because they're catching on to it a lot faster than we did. Because what took us 3 weeks to learn, they've learned in about 2 hours. So that's really impressive that they're capable of doing that. They seem to be having a lot of fun.
It also gives them a hands-on experience as to how science is evolving and how it is used in the real world. Because most of the time students are like, I'm never going to use this, it's not going to be worth anything, but this actually is used, and it gives them a great opportunity to experience how it's used and why it's used.
For students who are scientifically minded and really like stuff like DNA, this completely would blow their mind because it blew my mind, but it's so much fun, and it's a way to feel like you're making a contribution to science, because that's something that I have learned through using DNA Master, that once we get finished with this, it's going to be published and other people can compare our work to theirs and make sure that they're doing stuff the same way, and that way we're able to understand phages in their DNA better. DNA Master is a free program that will take an entire sequence genome and it will cut it into different pieces to make us little ideas of where genes could possibly be, but then human eyes have to go through and make sure that what they've decided is a gene is actually correct. And we can go through and compare different aspects of DNA and stuff to make sure that everything's correct.
Hi, I'm Kayla Ventress. I'm a senior at Bismarck High School.
Hi, my name is Laken Roberts. I'm a junior at Murfreesboro High School.
We are in the biology department doing DNA bioinformatics.
And when we first got here today, I was kind of confused because there was a bunch of numbers and letters and everything that I was not sure of. But the students helped us, and now me and my friend that came have kind of gotten the hang of it, so it's going pretty good now.
I think that if I would have read this from a textbook, I would probably be crying right now. But having it hands-on helped a lot. I think that getting the exposure to this, especially since I'm a senior, I'll understand it more next year or whenever I get to see this in class.
I'm more of a hands-on learner, so being able to do it on our own while they're helping us has helped me personally.
I'm actually very interested in it, so I think that helped me a lot deciding what I'll major in college. Definitely biology. I might even go into the bioinformatics.